I see tourists land at the airport with a phone full of standalone apps like Didi or 12306, only to panic when their foreign credit card gets rejected. Let's cut the crap. Forget downloading 20 different apps before your trip. Here's unfiltered truth. You only need one app to survive China in 2026. That app is Alipay. I'm Uncle Zhao, your local fixer in Beijing. Today, I'm giving you the ultimate survival cheat sheet. First, physical credit cards are basically useless here unless you are hiding in a 5-star hotel. China runs 100% on QR codes, and paying with cash marks you instantly as a tourist. Alipay securely binds to your physical Visa, MasterCard, or Discover. You pay for a $1 water or $500 room using the exact same code locals use. But here's the biggest mistake you can make. Downloading standalone travel apps. The standalone English DD app will frequently give you a card declined error due to international fraud blocks. The fix? Delete it. Alipay is the operating system. You use DD and 12306 trains inside Alipay. Because Alipay natively handles the billing, your card won't get rejected. Zero friction. Now listen closely. Because this hack will save you serious money. Alipay charges a 3% fee for single transactions over 200 RMB. But anything under 200 RMB is 100% fee-free. If you have a massive dinner bill, just ask the waiter to split it into multiple 199 RMB transactions. You legally bypass the 3% fee and pay exactly what we locals pay. Booking high-speed trains? Don't fight the 12306 app. Book directly through the transport section in Alipay. And remember, China doesn't use paper tickets anymore. Your physical passport is your ticket. Walk up to the gate, scan your passport on the glass, look at the camera, and walk through. Need a subway? Generate a metro QR code right in Alipay. Do not even try using Google Maps even with a VPN. The GPS is intentionally shifted. Use Apple Maps for walking. It works perfectly without a VPN. Can't read the menu? Tap the Translate tool on the Alipay home screen. Point your camera and the AR scanner translates the text instantly. You will never order the wrong food. Finally, the golden rule. If your phone battery hits 0% in China, you cease to exist. You can't buy water, call a cab, or map your way home. Luckily, we have Shell power bank station everywhere. Open Alipay, hit scan, grab a battery, and drop it off across the city later. Do not wait until you are struggling with spotty airport Wi-Fi to set this up. Verify your Alipay before you leave home. If you want exact step-by-step video guide and cheat sheets, I put together a complete survival kit. The link is in the description. And if you want a local fixer to handle all your books so you can just enjoy the trip, hit me up. Subscribe for more Zero BS China travel hacks. See you next time.